In the first lesson, we have learned how to write alphabets in cursive style. In this lesson, we will practice joining A and L. So, when we write A, we start with this tail. We, we go up and then we descend down. The key thing is we are not going to lift off our pen. It will go like this. This L is one of our ascenders. Let's do it again. Start with the tail, go up, go back down, and then once again up, and then make this tail. Then join L. That's it. One more time. Start with the tail, go up, then come down, then go round, and then make the tail go up for the second letter L, and then come down. One more time, just like this. I hope this is quite easy for you. Now we are going to practice some words using this joint. First word we are going to write is ball. So this will go like this. Ball. Second word we are going to write is call. Call. Third word is wall. Okay. Fourth word is tall. Fifth word is fall. This F could be tricky for us, so we need to take care of this. Fall. Then we have sixth word all. Now we are going to write a couple of words with silent L sound. So let's do walk. Walk. Then we have talk. Okay. We have always. Obviously, L is not silent in always. I hope this makes sense to you and you can practice this join and practice these words they will help you um, in your learning and your spellings as well. Thank you very much. Bye.